Le video le eyamaphanda ngoba wena uphanti dlula nje ungangichazeli dlula. And then for those of us who decided to stay and watch the video, awume kancane ngiqale ngisho amagama angcwele ngoba abelungu bayangibuka. This video is meant for educational purposes only and does not promote any criminal activities. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Let's say ukuthi wena uyiphanta nihambile nayo phanta nabafethu ngendlela yeni niphanta ngayo, and this was ukhathi wakho. You got u-800,000. Now umission wakho sekukushintsha le mali le uyenze ibe legit. Ithi kufundise-ke mina ukuthi senza kanjani. Ungazi uyejele uyele into engekho. Awukahle buwena, awukahle. Asiqale. Mina personally ngokwami, when it comes to cleaning imali engcolile, ngiye ngithi there are 3 stages. Eyokuqala is i-placement, eyesibili is i-layering, and then eyokugcina it is i-integration. Sizoyiqala ekuqaleni lento uzuze uyi-understand. We will start with i-placement. Yila khona ngithi khona mina it is the initial stage la khona imali ephantiwe sizoyi-introduce to the financial system, amabhenki. First step yakho mntomnyama is to open a business. And ngiyazi ukuthi omunye uzoqhuba ikhanda lakhe athi open a business yani ngoba phela vele ngino 800,000 ngi-rich. Understanda ukuthi yebo asiphiki nawo lo 800,000 kodwa awukakwazi ukusebenzisa. The minutes uspenda bazokubamba mase uyetshele. So hlakanipha. Wena uzovula ishisa nyama. Angiceli ngiyakutshena wena uzovula ishisa nyama, and then kuleyo ushisa nyama uzoqasha abantu mase wena ubakhokhela ngayo leyo mali yakho lo 800,000. Ubaphe ne-pay slip. Akugcini lapho. Wena uzovula i-tech shop, hayi eyodwa, hayi awu-2, awu-3. Uzovula ama-tech shop awu-3. Whether wavula ngakini or wavula e-town, it doesn't matter as long as munawo lama-tech shop. Now that usuwavulile lamabhizinisi, whether it is ishisa nyama or i-tech shop, and then when usuqashile abantu basebenze lapho, uyabaholela using your own money, ubanika ne-pay slip, usuyi-employer. Yila khona mina nawe we are going to cook the books. Ngiqonda ukuthini mangisho njalo? Wena uzoclaim ukuthi a week ibhizinisi lakho lenza u-50,000 kodwa eqinisweni ibhizinisi lakho lenza u-5,000. That means ukuthi uzomixa in u-45,000 of imali yakho le ephantiwe, uyimixe nalo 5,000 wenze u-50,000 ebhenki. Wena uyohambisa i-income ya 50,000. Whilst usalungisa indaba yamabhizinisi uzama ukwenza yonke into ibe legit, thola impatha eceleni ngoba phela iningi le mali. Thola impatha, someone ongekabuza imibuzo, someone ozomthembisa abo 500, abo 1000. Thola impatha. Izokwenzelani impatha? Thululalele. La eSouth Africa sinamabhenki amahle, amabhenki angabuzi imibuzo, just as long as imali oyidepositayo ingeqi u-10,000. Lawo ma-banks uCapitec, uTymeBank no-Absa ababuzi imibuzo, just as long as imali oyidepositayo ingeqi u-10,000. So wena tshena impatha yakho ukuthi mi u-9,000. Hamba uye kaCapitec or kaTymeBank or ka-Absa deposita le mali into my bank account. Mina ngizogupha 500. Okubaleka kakhulu kunakho konke, thola impatha ifull. Ungayi wena. Impatha izothatha u-9,000 iyofaka into the banking system, ingene kwi-bank account yakho. Thola impatha full. Impatha. Ungayi wena. Ungayi. Thola impatha. Impatha. Now that we are done with stage 1, sesimove straight siya stage 2, i-layering. La khona sithi khona we are hiding the money's origin. Ngoba phela le mali mina nawe siyazi ukuthi iphantili, akuyona imali evele wayihola nje. And so we will try to create i-layer between i-banking system nama-origins ale mali. Khona ngisho noma bekuthanda bengeke bakwazi ukuyi-trace le mali ukuthi isukaphi. Noma bekuthanda inkulu le mali onayo, inkulu u-800,000, and so kumele sihlakaniphe. Even though wavulile amabhizinisi and adeposita u-50,000 a month into your bank account, even though impatha yakho iyazama iloku ifaka labo 9,000 a week, still le mali inkulu sizofika nini u-800,000. And so it's time yokuthi uhlakaniphe mntomnyama. Manje creator a fake company ezonikeza abantu ama-fake invoices. Wena into ozoyenza, you are going to open a security company ngoba it's the easiest to register. Uzoyenza ibe legal on paper, ibhale wena ngegama lakho. And then uzoyiphi igama nakhona, it's just a name nje. Mhlawumbe uzothi Rainbow Security, Mkhize Security, Langa Security, Gumede Security, whatever you choose kukuwena. And then after that uzoqasha abantu. You don't really need them, kodwa phela kumele ubaqashe ube employer. Whenever uzwa umuntu ethi a shell company, azi ukuthi usuke iqonda ukuthi it is a fake company whose only purpose is ukwenza imali. Yes, barelease ama-fake invoices, baba nama-fake employees. Wena uyahamba uye kasazi uyoclaima ukuthi ikhampani yakho yenze u-100,000, ubanike lama-fake invoices lawa owenzile, and then after that leyo mali izobe ilokhu ingena kwi-account yakho. Okubaluleke nakho konke is that wena ukhokha i-tax. Just as long as wena ukhokha i-tax and as long as ikhampani yakho i-exista on paper, wonke amaphepha wakho asemthethweni, yonke into yakho illegal, ngeke babuze imibuzo ukuthi la 100,000 kanjani uzoloku ingena nje into your account, akekho umuntu uzobuza umbuzo. Congratulations Phantalam, usebenze kanzima, and finally now 800,000 wakho uyawubona now ungenile kwi-account yakho. You not only cheated i-system kodwa wenze leyo nto using ingqondo yakho. That means ukuthi wena awuye khulukuthi, wena awuye ejele. Understand ukuthi wena unamabhizinisi, uneshisa nyama, unama-tech shop awu-3 a-generator imali engango-50,000 a month each. Understand ukuthi wena unabantu abakweleta imali yakho, and every week benza sure ukuthi bakhokhela back labo 9,000 wakho abakhokhela bona. So you made it empilweni. Okubaluleke nakho konke, wena une-security company esebenza kanzima, enama hard workers. Njengamanje i-generator imali engango-100,000 a month. Phela inyanga ayifani, sometimes imali yantengantenga ibuye ibe u-70,000, kodwa okubaluleke kunakho konke is that iyangena imali, ukhokha i-tax, nosazi uhappy. So ngeke ukuchase wena usazi. Congratulations, you have created i-legacy for umndeni wakho. You have created indlela yokuthi kungene imali without abantu bebuza imibuzo. Qhubeka kuyophanta, kodwa nje azi ukuthi wena you have secured i-legacy for umndeni wakho. Uhlakaniphile.